Well, good morning, everyone. That's right, good morning rather than good evening. Might be one of those later on today, though. But good morning. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area near Westtown Commons Shopping Center at University Village Apartments on Walker Road, doing a special weather video because we set a new record coldest low this morning. Yes, we made history this morning here in North Jackson. My report will be a little shorter than normal since it is a special, but I will show you the basic graphics like I usually do in my evening observations. But the special, I'll go ahead and start with that, with the climate data. I'll go ahead and refresh your memory and tell you that we had a high yesterday of 85 degrees. And as of 11:35 a.m., the skies were clear here in North Jackson, and the temperature was 77 degrees. It has warmed up a little bit. But the big news, I guess, would be the low this morning. It got down to 57 degrees here in North Jackson at University Village Apartments, and that is a new record coldest low. And it actually dates back to 1948, a 69-year-old record we broke this morning. The old record was 58, so we broke it by 1 degree, and the years were actually tied 3 different times for the old record in 1948, again in 1974, and then once more in 1986. So recently it'd be 1986, but it can go all the way back to 1948. So in that respect, we broke a 69-year-old record this morning with a low of 57 degrees. I believe McKellar Airport reported 58 degrees, so they tied the record there. Now, Eddie Holmes, a good meteorologist friend of mine, his station on North Highland near North Park had a low of 57 degrees also. So me and him both broke that record this morning. Okay, and that's the big news. Imagine 57 degrees in August. Oh my goodness. It happened. Normally we expect the low around 68 to 70 roughly, and highs on up there near 100 degrees. That's not going to happen today. Matter of fact, we're having super cool weather today and tomorrow, and then it's going to warm up a little bit and stabilize, and actually have a good chances for rain moving in and thunderstorms toward about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Okay, speaking of that, I'll go ahead and, by the way, we had east winds at 9 miles per hour at about 11:35 a.m. I'll go ahead and read you a couple of days forecast. I'm not going to make this one as long as I do the other one. It's going to be continued mostly clear. We should get up to about 86 degrees today, which is very close to what our high was yesterday. And we should average having east winds about 10 to 20. Now, the sun will be setting tonight at 7:55 and be rising tomorrow morning at 6:07. The moon will be rising later on this evening at 6:33 p.m. and be setting at 4:09 a.m. tomorrow morning. Okay. Now tomorrow's forecast, fair skies till around sunrise. Then the sky is going to become mostly cloudy, and we have a 60% chance of some showers and thunderstorms developing toward mid-afternoon, roughly around 4 p.m., 4 or 5 p.m. Now, they probably would be more likely after sunset, but there are the chances even before sunset as well. with a low near 65 degrees and a high of 89 degrees, with south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And I'll go ahead and give you Monday. Mostly cloudy skies with a good chance, 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Monday, until the chance is 80% until Monday night, and then by then the chance decreases to 60%, but we still have some scattered showers and storms around the area for Monday night as well, with a low near 72 and a high of 81 degrees, with west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. All right, I'm going to let it go on that. If you'd like to read the complete 9-day forecast, that will take you all the way through till Monday the 14th of August, you can go to my forecast web page at southjacksonweather.wordpress.com and read it there if you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and show you a few of the maps. This is the current surface map as of 11:14 Central Daylight Time, and I'll turn the camera around so you can see it as well. And it shows that cold front that moved through our area the other day that gave us this nice, cool weather and record-breaking Saturday morning. The high pressure is right there over Kentucky. I'm trying to think of the name of that state. And up around the southeast corner of Minnesota. And that's what's giving us such pretty weather. There's a long cold front stretching from just north up there in the southeast Canada, kind of well north of New York, stretching down to another low over eastern Pennsylvania, down to that cold front south of us, and then it changes to a stationary front down there around the Arkansas-Mississippi border, and becomes a warm front in Oklahoma to another low in southeast Colorado, and it continues as a stationary front all the way back up into Canada. That's a long front, my friends, but that's the way it is. There's a few scattered showers along the Gulf Coast, but most of it's out in the Gulf, and some there in northern Florida, as you can see. Some off of the North Carolina coast, and going through central North Carolina at the moment. There's some showers and storms right there in western Missouri that's moving east, but I believe they will miss us. At least I hope so. Our chances is not again until tomorrow afternoon, unless nature fools us. I'll put it that way. But there you see the other mount fronts and precipitation, lows and highs of where they're at and what the weather's like in other parts of the country. Right here, we're in beautiful shape right here in West Tennessee. That's so good to know that. Radar, local radar out of Memphis. Thank you, AccuWeather. Shows clear skies and no precipitation, of course. It's not even picking up that precipitation in Missouri, so it's beyond this radar loop. As you can see, there's nothing on the radar within this radius of the Memphis radar. That's just ground clutter right there. So we're in real good shape here in Jackson. Alrighty. Looking at the satellite picture and radar combo. Also, thank you, AccuWeather. It's clear. The whole state of Tennessee at the moment is cloud-free. Now you see there's some clouds to our northwest, not within 100 miles anyways, and they're kind of moving east. Now we might get a few of those clouds this afternoon and tonight, but the majority of them, the thickest of them, I suppose, would be a better word, I think it's going to stay to our north and just bypass us to our north. That rain there is what you saw on that map a while ago. It's moving east. So it's sure to move on over into Illinois and possibly western Kentucky. I don't think if it stretches to Tennessee, it'd be up along the Kentucky-Tennessee borderline. But I don't think it's going to make it all the way to Jackson. And there's the weather south of us. There's the clouds down in Florida. It's sunny in the southern half of Florida and cloudy in the northern half. And cloudy in the panhandle too. And you see where the rain is there, down there. Alright, that's pretty much it for the satellite. Let me get a close-up view of Tennessee there, or western half anyways. Alrighty. I think that's it, everybody. I wanted to share that with you, and once again, mainly just get on here and let you know that we had a record coldest low this morning of 57 degrees. Amazing to be that chilly in August, when we normally expect lows around 75 and highs around 95 to 100 or even higher. Matter of fact, the record hottest time today, well, is 100 degrees, and that occurred back in 1956. So even that's an old record in itself. Well, I think that's it for today, folks, for now at least. I'm going to go ahead and let you go with that, and hopefully I'll be able to get you another report coming in later on tonight. But in the meantime, I hope all of you have a blessed Saturday, and look forward to tonight if everything goes okay. Otherwise, God bless you and have a sweet day.